to learn about basic algebra or continue our last meeting? This one, I will tell you, or I will offer you this one. Wait, I will share screen, yeah, Ray. This one, Ray. Decimal fraction and percentage, like on our last meeting, or you want to learn about what is it? Algebra. Which one that you want to learn today? Algebra is about like for linear equation, and then algebra expression. Which one?
Uh, algebra.
Okay. Okay. Miss will send you on Zoom, yeah. I will send you two file of algebra materi algebra worksheet, okay? But I will use wait, I will use the yearbook, yeah, the first one, okay? I will use the first one. The second one, the second worksheet, you can practice by yourself, okay? Or in next meeting, okay? Mm, mm, mm,
Yeah.
mm.
Hey, miss.
Oi.
So can I rejoin for like a few seconds?
Okay, 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 okay,
I
okay,
need to do
okay.
something.
Okay, just tell me if you're ready, okay?
Okay.
Okay, inform me, Are.
Yeah. Hi, miss.
Okay, let's continue our study tonight, yeah? Okay, this one. This worksheet contains I think like three section, right? Three questions, three section, yeah. Which each section contains 10 questions, okay? So let's start from basic, yeah, Ray. So it means like it contains three level: basic, intermediate, and advanced one. Okay, this one. If x represents the number of apples and you have 5 apples, how would you write the expression for having x apples? It means that you have to make expression for apples. Okay, you have 5 apples, and then the number of apples x. So just write as 5 of x. Udah, Miss? Sudah. Okay, that's all. Okay, that's all. Okay, any questions? No? Okay, yeah, any questions? No? Sorry. It's 5, it's x. Sorry. 5 equal to x. Next, number 2. Mary and John. Okay, there are two different people. Okay, two different person. Okay, John has Y, or John has Y candies. It means that John Candice is Y and Mary Candice is X. Okay. Mary has twice as many candy as John. Okay. How many candles that John has? Sorry. John has X candies. Okay, Y candies. So it means that X or Mary is two or twice of John's candy. Okay, John's candies. This one. Nah. So the expression is okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Is there any questions? No.
Mhm.
No. Next, yeah.
No.
If represent the price of a toy, okay, and it's on sale for $10 off, how
Yeah.
would you write the expression for the sale price? Do you know the
Uh,
exact value for sale price? No.
um,
If you don't know anything about the price, it's called as X. Okay. In algebra, everything that we don't know the exact amount, we can say as X. Okay, so it's X. And then on person 10%, $10. So it means that from the price minus $10. Okay.
yeah.
That's all, miss. That's all. Okay, gitu ya. Why it's minus $10? Because sell price means that a price should be reduced, right? Nah, okay. Okay ya. Price a discount has to make the price lower. Okay, so lower means that minus. Like you buy anything, if it's a discount price, it should be lower, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Next, what about this one, Ray?
Mm,
There are two person, yeah, David and Sarah.
yeah.
Okay. David, Miss, I don't want to make it as X and Y. Okay. Never mind, yeah. You can make the variable as its name. Example, David as D. And then Sarah as X, as S, sorry. Okay. You can write anything on variable. D, S, or maybe your name R, Ray, S, Ray, gitu. Oke, anything ya. Terserah bebas, oke. Nah,
Yeah.
if I write S, D, and S, just write D is. It means that equal. Is equal. Okay. 5 years less than twice of Sarah age. Twice of Sarah. Sarah is S. Twice means that two of S. Oke, what about less means? Less ya, artinya kurang, betul. So it means that minus 5. Okay, so if you meet the word of less, less means that minus 5. Okay, the minus is on the behind of the first first thing. Okay, not minus, not 5 minus 2 of s, no. Okay, the second
Yeah.
statement, if you write the second statement, this one, the second statement, Ray, if you meet the second statement, it means that 5 minus, not 5 less. Okay, minus, take or to take the first, okay, the first thing, okay, the first in here. But if 5 years less, less means that behind of the first word. Okay, is there any questions? So yeah,
No.
just focus on the last one. Okay, that's all, miss. That's all. That's all. Nah, okay. Any
Yeah.
questions? No? Got it?
Uh,
Or
yeah.
maybe you have a questions? No?
It's kind of
Okay.
confusing, miss.
Okay. Okay, okay, okay.
You kind of did it too fast, miss.
Oh, okay. Slower please, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. What about this one? Number 5, Ray. Rectangle length. Okay. Before we solve these questions, you can write or you can illustrate this one like a rectangle. A rectangle always has, what is it, miss? Length and also a width, right? Okay. Length is X. Okay. And then width is 3 meter less. Less from what, miss? What the comparison? Ya kan? The comparison is from the length. So it means that width is X minus 3. Like we do on the 4 questions. Okay, if you meet the word less, less is on the behind. Okay. Is there any questions? No.
No.
Okay. Okay, yeah. What about Miss Y with Miss Because? The questions is expression for with. Okay, and also this one. The questions is about the expression for David X. David in here as D. Sarah in here as X. Okay, twice means that twice is two times, right? Nah, two times of S. Okay, what about
Mhm.
thrice means thrice is three of S. Okay, is
Okay.
there any questions? No? No, little bit slower or it's okay? Little bit slower or no?
Yeah.
Okay, number 6. N represent a number. Okay, so you have N in here. The number is multiplied by 4. Multiplied by 4 means that N times by 4, right? Nah, okay. What's next, miss? Next is then added to 7. Added to 7. It means that it has to plus with 7. That's all, miss. That's all. Okay,
Okay.
so okay, the answer is and but for usual, yeah, for a usual what is it? For usual expression, for in here you have to put in for what ya, Ray? Gitu, kayak gini. Nah, empatnya harus di depan, oke? Okay? The number have to in the for what, okay? Next in the first, okay? If you write this one, I think almost of the teachers would make it like maybe yeah, maybe not full of 100, no, or maybe like got it full score, no. I think like if you write this expression for your answer, you only just middle or half from the max score. Okay, because biasanya seperti ini. For usual expression, this one. Okay, is there any questions? No?
No.
Okay. A teacher has T student. T student. T. C divides them. What's the teacher divide? Them means for student, right? Mm. So divided means nah. Okay. Is there any questions? No? Udah, miss. Udah. That's all. But this one, you have to make number of group. Yeah, number of group. There is no clue or there is no variable for number of group. So you can write as G or N, anything. Yeah, but you know that it's from T divided by 5. Oke, anything, Miss? Ya. Nah, misal pakainya G ya. For example, we use variable in here as G. Miss, I don't like G letters. Okay, you can change into N. Whatever in this one. But, okay, you have to prioritize this. Okay, because this one, the information is about T. So put T in here. And then divide it by 5. Okay, is there any questions? No?
Uh,
Okay, what about this one, Ray? The total cost of a book and a pen. Okay, total book. Okay, you don't know what's the value or what's how much ya, how much the price of or the cost of the book. Okay, you don't know exact value-nya berapa, exact cost-nya berapa. Okay, you never know bahkan ya kan. So, just like I said before, give the name for cost of the book is B. Okay, so it means that cost of book is a B. And then Miss, write an equation for this situation. Okay, cost of book is B. But for pen, there is no clue or there is no variable in here. Okay, so just put any variable that you want. For example, you use this first letter SP, it's okay. Or you use your name SR, SR. Nah, okay, any letters ya. But the total is five, sorry, $15. Okay. Why, Miss? Why we write expression like this one? Because this one total cost for book and a pint. Yeah. There are two what is it? There are two kinds of a thing. Two things in here for book and also for pen. And the total is or equal, yeah, total cost equal 15. So equal mean, nah. Is there any questions?
Uh, no,
No. Okay. Am I too fast? No.
not really.
Okay. A little bit slower? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Just tell me deh. It's okay kok. Gak apa-apa. A train travel at speed of s. Okay. We know from the information speed ss. Okay. The letter ya, the letter of the variable for speed is s. And travel is t. And then write an expression for the distance it travels. Okay. Do you remember about the formula for distance? Velocity, you know?
I forgot, man.
Okay. You can write as in Indonesia, we call it as Jokowi deh. DKW in here. You can remember as Jokowi.
Okay.
The Jokowi, okay?
Uh,
J is for jarak. Jarak in here is for distance. Okay. And then K is for kecepatan. Or in English, we can say as speed. Or if you were in for your physics, ya kan? It's like physics formula. Okay. On your physics, it's called as velocity. Okay. So velocity means also means as speed. And W, yeah, or W in here means that waktu. What's waktu in English? Time. Okay. What's the unit or dimension for time? It's hours. Okay. So it means that you have to find distance or jarak in here. Okay.
yeah.
So you know that K is for speed. So speed in here is S. Okay. And then hours or time in here as T. Okay. So distance is S times with T. So, okay. Is there any questions? No. Yeah. Or Miss, I don't want D in here. Yeah. Just take any letters that you want, yeah, Ray. For example, if you don't like D letter in here, just put G. Yeah. Okay. Just put J in here. Or maybe, uh, your best friend, ya kan? Your first name of your best friend. Okay. For anything, any letters, yeah, put it for the okay. Is there any questions?
No.
Got it? No, that's all, yeah. Now, next, sum three consecutive even integers is 66. Okay, Miss, we don't know the exact value for the consecutive even integers in here. Okay, 3. So you have to provide three letters, okay, three letters that can symbol or that can express each number. For example, X, Y, and Z in here. Okay, so just put X plus Y plus Z in here. Why, Miss? Because it's about the sum, the total. Okay, is means that equal to. Nah, that's all. Okay. Any questions? No. Any
No.
questions?
No.
Okay. Hmm. Next ya, Ray. Nah, solving simple linear. Okay. What should we do, Miss, for this one? Okay. Before we continue, I will tell you about what's the name. Okay. The name for what is it? The name for this one, three in here means coefficient. Coefficient. Okay. And then any number that doesn't have any letters behind, it's called as constanta. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Just remember the name, ya, Ray. And then, Miss, okay, if you want to solving simple linear, okay, just split, yeah, this coefficient with variable and constanta into two different side. What it means, Miss Gini? What does it mean, Gini? Jadi, so it means that this one for the left side is for coefficient and variable, and then put the constanta in left side. Oh, sorry, on right side. Okay, so it's for 70, and then we should we should move this 5 to right side. Okay, if
Yeah.
you want to move for any numbers, any coefficient, if you want to move anything in equation, you also have to make this, nah, okay, this plus into reverse. So plus, if you move to the next one, to the right side, it will be negative. Okay, what about if
Yeah.
it's for minus, Miss? If it's minus, yeah, minus 5, for example, yeah. Now this one, if you move this minus 5 into right, it will be positive. Nah, okay.
Okay.
So I mean, like, if you move from left to right, from right to left, you also have to change, okay, have to change this one. Plus and minus, you have to change this symbol. Okay, is there any questions?
No.
No? Okay, and then Miss, next, what's next? 3 of x equal to 17 minus 5. What's the number, Ray?
Um, 3, 7,
Mm-mm.
12,
Minus 17 minus 5 is?
12.
Yes. And then, Miss, nah, this one, coefficient. If you want to find the value of x, just put this number. If it's 3 times, ya, we say 3x as 3 times, right? Nah, kebalikannya, reverse to. So if it's multiplied, if you want to move from right to left, you also have to divide. Okay, why, Miss? Because plus, the reverse is minus, or the antonym is minus, and then times or kali, ya kan? Times or multiplied, kebalikannya apa? The reverse is divided.
Divide.
Okay, nah, so if it's times, okay, the reverse or the inverse is, the reverse is divided. Nah. And then, what's the value of x? 12 divided by 3, it's 4. That's all. Okay, is there any questions? No? Okay, ya. Okay, let's continue. Let's try to number 2. What's the first step that we have to do? Just move this number into right side. Okay? Okay. So this one is minus. If we want to move this number, we have to reverse the symbol. Minus simbolnya tadi apa reverse-nya? Reverse-nya, what's the reverse for minus? Plus.
Plus.
So it will be 11 plus 7. Okay, is there any questions? No? Okay.
Yeah.
Hello, Ray? Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then 2 of x is what's the result 11 plus 7?
Uh, 18.
Nah, okay. And then miss, and then it's twice. So if you want to find x, you have to divide it, this number 18 to in here. Okay, so the answer is 9. Nah, okay, is there any questions? No?
Oh,
Okay, next ya, Ray. Next. Now, what about this one, Miss? Okay. You have to, what is it? You have to choice, yeah. I will tell you two choice or two methods or two ways how to solve this one. First
Yeah.
method or first way is just open. Nah, okay, just open this. Okay, it means that you have to multiply 4 with each of the this one of the variable and of the constanta in here. Okay, so it means that 4 times with x is 4x. 4 times with 3 is minus 12. Okay, one by one. Multiply, yeah, multiplied by every single number. Wait.
yeah.
Miss. 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 Hello.
Oke, Ray, lanjut ya.
Hey,
Oke.
miss.
Mhm.
May I go to the toilet?
Oke. Tell me ya, Ray, if you're done ya.
Okay, miss.
Mm-mm. Ini
I'm back, miss.
Hi, Ray. Okay, let's continue our study, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the first way or first method. Okay, and then miss, and then yeah, 20-nya there's no change for 20. Okay, so the next step is put this 12 into into right side. Okay, so it will be from minus change to plus, right? Nah. So it will be 20 plus 12. Okay. For x equal to 20 plus 12, it's 32, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so the value of x is 32 divided by 4. Okay, so the answer is 8. It's the first way or first method. Okay, the second is, I think it's little bit shorter, but you have to know, you have to find, yeah, what's the point. Okay, this one, 4 in here, it means that 4 times, okay, or 4 multiplied by, yeah, okay. So
Yeah.
if in here is 4 times, what's the reverse for times? Reverse for times or multiply by, the reverse is divided, right? Nah, okay. So the next is x minus 3. This one is 4. Yeah, so put it into or as, put it as divided. Okay, so x minus 3, 20 divided by 4, it's 5, right? No.
Yeah.
Okay, and then miss, and then minus in here, move it to right side. Minus, if we want to move this number, it will be plus, right? Yeah,
Yeah.
so it will be 5 plus 3. What's the number 5 plus 3? It's 8. Nah, they are same. Yeah, but
Oh.
different method. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. It's little bit shorter, but you have to find or you have to remember what's the first thing or what's the first in this. Okay. What's the first in the question, in the equation. Okay. Is multiplied or it's plus or it's divide. Okay, you have to know. Okay, and then you have to reverse. Okay, is there any questions? No. No. What about this one, Ray? What about this one, number 4? Okay, just use any method that you want for
Yeah.
the first or second. Which one that easier for you?
I don't know. They're both kind of the first.
Oh, first ya, okay. First, just open, ya kan? Open this bracket, okay? So it means that two
Actually,
times.
I think the second one's easier.
Oh, second one, okay. Okay. Yeah, I think it's also a little bit easier. Okay, but you have to find this one, ya, Ray. Oh, it's 2, miss. So it means that 3 of x minus 2, 16 divided by 2. Okay. Yeah, remember the first thing that happens on here. Okay. So 16 divided by 2, it's 8, right? Nah. And then 3 of x minus 2. Okay. Next, miss. What about next, miss? Yeah, just split this number, this constanta with the variable. Okay, so move minus 2 in here to right. Okay, so it will be 3 of x, 8 plus 2, right, Ray? Nah, so 3 of x equal to 10. So the value of x is 10 divided by 3. Okay, is there any questions? No? No? Hello, Ray? Is there any questions?
No.
No, okay. Okay, got it? Or maybe you want to repeat it? What's the repeat?
Yeah,
What's
let's
the,
read
okay,
it
no.
again.
Okay. You, which one? Is it okay to continue or you want me to repeat?
Can I repeat it again, miss?
Okay. Okay. Next ya, Ray? Next ya?
Yeah.
Okay. How to solve number 5? For the first thing, what should we do?
Uh, divide it first. Wait, miss, we're doing number 4.
Mm-mm.
Can you
Number
scroll
5?
up? Can you scroll
Yes.
up, miss?
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Huh?
Number 5?
Yeah. Number 5.
Oh,
Mhm.
do you
Mhm.
like minus it first?
Yes. Minus. Yeah. This one.
Okay.
Move it up. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So it will be 25,
Uh,
right?
yeah.
Yeah.
And then
25.
we
So
divide it.
yes. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Is there any questions? No.
Oh.
No. Okay. Next or next level? Yeah. Next number or next level, Ray? Which one? Which one that you want to try? Next number or next? What is it? Next.
Next
And
number.
okay, next number. Okay. Okay. What do you want? What do you want? You want to solve it together or you want to try it by yourself? Number 6.
Uh, I'm
Mm-mm.
tired myself.
Okay. Number 6. I think it's easier than ini ya, than what is it? Than our last meeting ya. Then fraction ya.
Yeah.
Uh-uh. Okay, number 6. Don't forget the method ya, Ray. The tips, okay? Okay, so what's the first thing?
Uh,
Mm-mm-mm.
just say miss.
Yeah. What's the first thing that we have to do? Move it.
Minus it. With
Okay. Minus.
like mine. With? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I, I remember that though.
Okay. So 2 of x is what's the number? 11 minus 3 is
11 minus
uh is
8.
yeah. So the value of x sorry, the value of x as the value of x is
Oh yeah.
8
8
divided by
minus. Wait. Uh, wait.
2. So what's the answer? 8 divided by 2?
4.
Yeah. Okay. Is there any questions? No?
No miss.
Okay. Number 7. Mm, mm, mm. Still remember the method? Ray?
Yeah.
Yeah, miss. Okay.
This one, do you like the bite?
Yes, divide. Good, good, good.
Okay.
Okay, so 2 of x minus 1, 15 divided by 3, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So 15 divided by 3 is?
Um, 5.
Yeah. So 2 of x minus 1 is 5. And then move this number, right? Nah, move this constant into right side. Okay, so 2 of x equal to 5 plus 1, right? Yes. Okay, 5 plus 1. What's the number, A? 5 plus 1?
6.
Yeah, 6. Okay, so x is?
It's 6. It's 6. So X is 33.
Yes, okay. Is any questions? No?
No.
Okay, I think so much ini ya, there is so much, what is it? So much progress ya. Yeah. I'm so happy. I hope you always be be remember how to solve ya, Ray, okay?
Okay,
Not
man.
only for today, for your future, okay? For the next day, tomorrow, and your next year lah semuanya, okay? Number 8, because linear always check the position for each exam.
Yeah.
Next, next, number 8. Number 8. What's the answer? Just move this one, okay? Nah. So 4 of x, it's 16 plus 8, right? What's 16 plus 8, Ray?
14.
Eh? 24.
Uh,
24.
16.
Okay. It's
Uh,
okay. But always remember the method aja, okay? Okay.
okay.
And then miss, x is 24 divided by 4. Okay. What's the answer, Ray? 24 divided by 4. It's 6, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Once more, yeah. Once more. And then we review. And I think it's enough. Okay. Okay,
Okay.
what about this one? 2 in here would be divided by 2, right? Yes,
Yeah.
divided by 2. Okay, so 24 divided by 2 is 12, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then miss, and then wait. Mm-mm-mm. Nah, and then move 2 in here. Yeah, change the symbol into minus, and then 5 of x is 10, right? So the value of x is, what's the number, eh? 10 divided by 5
Divided by
is,
5. 2.
yes, 2. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's review. Today we'll have learning about linear equations, or we can say as algebra, basic algebra, yeah.
Yeah.
From how to make algebraic expression and equation, and then we learn about how to find the value or how to solve simple linear equation. Okay. And then the step, yeah, Ray, you have to remember for each step for solving linear equation. Okay. Okay, I think it's enough for today. And thank you for joining Zoom tonight. Okay, as always, I hope you're happy in every day. Okay, in every single day. Thank you, Ray. Bye
Yeah.
bye.
I know.
Mm-mm.
Thank you, miss.